Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a while. Today we're going to look at another health drink that targets the blood. We're going to do a grapefruit juice. We're going to use grapefruit to extract grapefruit juice, which is going to be used to remove excess toxins from the blood. So citrus fruits, a number of them, like say orange, lemon, they have citrus acid, which is very beneficial for the elimination of toxins. For those who cannot afford to get a grapefruit juice, you can get to do lemon juice or any other alternative, say orange juice. But grapefruit is possibly the juice with the greatest capabilities to eliminate toxins and other foreign substances in the blood as compared to other citrus fruits. In this way, it acts as a genuine antidote against many toxins, including those that cause cancer. This is as a result of its ability to activate certain hepatic enzymes. So the liver is the main organ tasked with the breakdown and elimination of foreign substances that are harmful, especially toxins that circulate throughout the blood, even alcohol itself. So experiments have been conducted at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem in Israel, and they have shown that grapefruit activates the enzyme responsible for the chemical detoxification in the liver. So grapefruit juice turns out to be ideal when you are starting a detoxification process that is meant to clean your system, including weight loss. This is an efficient drink, so it contains no fats or sodium but has a small amount of sugars and many forms of vitamins and natural ingredients which are capable to neutralize and eliminate any toxins in your blood. So today we are just not going to use anything much, just a normal handheld juice extractor. The juice extracted is a good detoxifying agent, and it's used in purification of blood. It allows to reduce weight. It's an antioxidant. It's anti-carcinogenic. All these are some of the benefits of the grapefruit juice. So I'll go ahead and extract all of it. Yeah, so this is done. I'll extract the rest. Yeah, so I've extracted grapefruit juice. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into our serving cup. Perfect. This is what we are. So, but one warning is that grapefruit is incompatible with many drugs. Grapefruit should not be combined with many drugs that are taken for different medical purposes. It's typically an example of an healthy food, yet when it interacts with many forms of medication that people do take, it is harmful. When grapefruit is consumed with this medication, the level of medication in the blood increases or decreases, producing additional side effects for different categories of drug. So the recommendation is that before you drink grapefruit, consult your health professional in case you're taking any other forms of medication. And in case you're sick and you really need to take other forms of medication, it is important to stop the intake of the grape juice for at least 3 days before taking any of the medication that will be given from the hospital. Some of the medications that you could not take with this include oral contraceptives, immunosuppressants, hypolipidemics, that is the strains for protection against cholesterol, and most form of chemotherapies that are taken against cancer. So in cases you're taking any categories of such medication, it's important to either stop or consult your medical professional before you continue. However, the good news is that the greater the intake of this grapefruit juice, the lower the need to take any form of medication, and there'll be less risk of interaction. So this is a quite beneficial drink because it allows you to keep off some of these form of medications that actually do not work with grapefruit juice. So the preparation was just basically that simple. You just use your juice extractor, can be taken on a daily basis, preferably in the morning before you take anything, so that it can cleanse the system to prepare you for the next set of meals and throughout the day. So this is our grapefruit juice. I guess we have a serving like this is just enough for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.